Hey guys, what is up? This is Maria. I'm going to be showing you 6 different room decor DIYs, and these DIYs are so easy and they're so cute, and you could literally do them in like less than 5 minutes, which I love about it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn the notification button to get notified when I post more videos, and make sure that you comment down below what back to school videos you want to see, because I have a bunch planned, but I'm wondering what you want to see. Without further ado, let's get started. This is the brand that I'm going to be using for my acrylic paint for most of my DIYs. For the first DIY, I'm going to be taking my acrylic paint and this round sponge brush, and I'm going to be painting my jar. So for the second DIY, it's really simple. I'm just going to be painting my canvas, and here is footage of me drawing it, but I don't really have any footage of me painting it. Really sorry for that. So these are the brushes that I'm going to be using to paint the canvas, and these are the colors that I chose to paint my flowers in. The third DIY, I'm going to be using a chalkboard that I got from the dollar store and hot glue gun, and this DIY turned out sideways. Don't know why that happened, but I'm going to be applying the hot glue on the chalkboard. And then I'm going to be putting the chalkboard on my desk so I can write notes in, or put in dates if I have to remember something really important. DIY is the most simple DIY that I've ever done, and I'm going to be using this container, and I'm going to be putting purple and gold beads in this container so it would hold my brushes well. After I've done that, I'm going to be putting my brushes in there, and this is literally it. So this is the fifth DIY. I'm going to be getting a frame and a pink printer paper, and then I'm going to be cutting all the edges off because my printer paper was too big. That's it for this DIY. It's so simple, so self-explanatory. You can do it literally in less than 5 minutes. It's good to write your to-do list in it or some important notes in. I love it so much. So for the last DIY, I'm going to be painting this A letter in teal color. I already showed you the M in the beginning. Now I'm going to be doing the A. So here is how you do it. So this is the process of how I added my glitter to the wooden letter. And it actually took me many tries to actually get it right, but I finally did, and it wasn't that perfect, so it might not work for you the first time, so you have to just keep trying. But this is the process of me adding the glitter. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and you got something out of it, and you will try these DIYs. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification button. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!